Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik. He's the Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Market Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Morning to you, young Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, let's kick off with Mexican peso. What are your thoughts?
Caught between two areas. You've got the long moving average, which is underneath the market, that's at 1847, and then you've got this area of the medium moving average, which is above the market, that's around about 1890, somewhere around those. So you're caught between those two areas. You really, it's got to make a choice now. It's come down quite a lot. This is dollar Trump, remember that. It's come down, so we've seen the Mexican get quite a little bit stronger. The State of the Union has turned it around a little bit and seen the growth in the dollar against this one particularly, when we've seen actually the dollar weaken against a lot of others. It's now deciding where it wants to go. And the key levels, 1857. 1857, that's the 50% fib of this whole move. Closes above that consecutively, we may start a move up, maybe up to say 1910. Closes below that, which we've had so far until recently, and we have another crack at 1830.
Okay, let's move on to the Brazilian real.
Simple one, this key reversal up. Higher high, lower low, above two previous closes. Brilliant, but it opened and closed roughly where it was. This is a doji pattern as such, which is a sign of indecision in Japanese candlesticks. The resistance above the market is the long moving average of 321.60 area, and then the medium, which is above that at 323 basically. The support is that head and shoulders neckline. That's around about the 316 area or thereabouts, 315, 316. That's where you're getting caught at the moment. This should go up today, but I was a bit surprised at the way it opened and closed at the same level. That's the one thing that's a bit of a concern about this. But the upside is limited around the 322, 323 area.
Okay, let's wrap up with the Indian Rupee.
Well, today's budget day. So there's obviously been a little bit of activity in this. At this particular point in time, it's indecision. There's nothing really sort of gone one way or another. We've broken through this lovely Andrews pitchfork we're seeing going down. The great trend line on the upside, the centre time being basically the angle of attack of the market lower. But we've also made this very short-term, during January, uptrend. Is that strong enough to hold this? I'm not certain this particular point in time, but it's the first attack we've had on the outside of it. We haven't had any closes yet, so keep with it on that side of things. Everything else is pointing bearish except for the short-moving average. All of them are pointing lower, but there's a bit of indecision just there.
Eddie, thank you very much.
Thank you.